In this video, I will show you how to set up Pixel in Wix Studio. So let's jump straight into it. So there's a few steps to set up a pixel. In today's example, we'll be looking how to set up a Facebook pixel. So the first thing you're going to want to do is log into Wix Studio. So you want to access your Wix Studio account and select the specific website where you want to set up the pixel. What you then want to do is navigate to the marketing integrations or marketing tools section from your website's dashboard. Now for Facebook, what you want to do is look for the Meta Pixel integration option and click onto it. Then what you need to do is sign into your Facebook account if it does prompt you to do so, and make sure to allow the necessary permissions. What you can then do is retrieve your Pixel ID from the Facebook Events Manager and input it into the required field in Wix Studio. Once you've done that, what you need to do is follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the integration process. After completing these steps, your MetaPixel will start tracking your website data. Remember, of course, to use your website pixel helper to test if it's working correctly. So that is how to set up a pixel in Wix Studio. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.